comes to waste management, Haplast is the name you can trust. As a leading manufacturer in high-quality trash bag, Haplast offers a wide range of solutions to meet your every need. Now, let's explore the exceptional products in the Haplast lineup.
Designed for convenience, these flat bags come in a compact roll, allowing you to easily dispense and use them as needed, perfect for small spaces and quick cleanups. With their unique C-fold design, these bags offer superior containment and easy handling. Whether you're in a commercial setting or at home, the C-fold feature ensures a secure and reliable solution. Featuring a reinforced star-shaped bottom seal, these bags provide exceptional leak protection and stability, even when filled with heavy waste. Ideal for tackling tough cleaning tasks. Combining the convenience of a roll with the ease of a drawstring closure, these bags make waste disposal a breeze. Pull the drawstring and tie it for a secure, mess-free solution.
Haplast's commitment to excellence goes beyond just product innovation. Our unwavering dedication to quality, affordability, and customer care sets us apart.
Haplast uses only the finest materials to ensure their trash bags are durable, tear-resistant, and leak-proof, giving you the confidence to tackle any cleaning task. Haplast understands the importance of value, so they offer high-quality trash bag solutions at competitive prices, making them accessible to businesses and households alike. Haplast's exceptional customer service is a hallmark of the brand. Their team is always ready to assist you with any questions or concerns, ensuring a seamless and satisfactory experience.
Experience the Haplast difference today. Contact us to place the order and for more information.